Hello, Jenaitan Jatan Dipor Kaham, Sal Sampli Sasa Academy, Higher Secondary School, Residential School, ni being a principal Angno ko Saito, Black Tong Thoman Jara Tabo admission Jara class 11 the class 10 pass admission night on Sal Sampli Sasa Academy, Kumulo form ritonka only for the arts abo time ka 9 to 12 noon Monday to Friday. Okay, tabuk sing Simon CBSE ni result nungka jagara debar result admission mayang tonga ba form naya kongka phaibe di rock form nadi engka admission phaibe ko kubui sini sal sample sasai academy ka kaisa growing choli tonga developing tonga kaham ka guidance rongo abo ko kubui engka sini parents rock sini guardian rock sini cherai rock bor witness bor kaham ka facility mangka sini cherai rock bang ma week tongmani a cherai rong sing pass kai be hoka abo ko kubui engka nong cherai rong bo sing runai tabo engka kok ani kaisa kok sana muchumaka je bor rock nogo guide khemiya Buma bufa ajina nago. So you put your student in the hostel. Hostel already. Gana gine kaham hostel je kaham ka guide khainai aro rikhaba chaw. Anya kaba Sasa Academy is always welcoming. Sasa Academy door is open. Phaidi. Narang or phai admission na phai. Te kaisa ko or sana muchungo. Hostel tong khang kai punctuality, regularity in study, the discipline abo kahamu. Time to time, teacher to plus teacher stand by hostel study time for stand by duty to mungsha wana na kare rent house ba nogo tongka of facility manglak abagino rang kom by norak Sasa Academy phaidi norak pura support manna buibo passen ka ba buibo kaham result ka ngong bisabo nini bo ngai nung my dear student nini bo ngai mungsha tawana di Kabagino, Poito Chadi, Sini Agi Kaiman record na Nashigdi, so Agibo Kaitonga, Numbabo Kaina. The thing is that are you ready to challenge yourself? Are you ready? We are very much ready. But if you are ready, come. Let us come work. Let us come together. Let us work together and let us change our life. So life no bodu na muchuganga tabum sing matching nai. Okok kubui nga last ang okok na samo chungo the special offer for 2024-25 session blank special offer ang kai je BPL candidate rock admission in painai bong ni bagay admission pai kyang ka kaisa lottery khajak na ek ni sini 10 jana je lottery kasenai bong no sini admission fee de 3-4 hazar tong mane I admission fee re jana not only BPL ni tolo antodoy tai tam tongmane ab je tola level ni bong no sing bong admission fee ro re na hobono kaisa golden chance obo sing nong ne rubo norok na de I hope you understand you want to change your life you imang na harma tong hanga phaidi we are ready to support umsing sitong kai bad baking kai khumung public ta sini parents rock student rock borok sini witness bong thini sini samung khaimen abono singdi they will support you and kai nor mentally kukuli support khai kyang kai hai admission umsing sitong jatanan hambai te kaisa kok kai Tripura board ni result outing yako Sasa Academy ke Tripura board ni sini result blai ke kahamuna 100% sing asa khai habe no so 100% asa khai pun kaisa kai ni chara ro bongi personal character ni bagi personal lifestyle ni bagi dera na phanto that is another issue tamka we did our level best our students are well satisfied students parents are very much satisfied abongka norak sungkang kai guardian no sana umsing sitong kai ko kolok salaya hai malai phaina hambai